Craft fresh, homemade bread with ease using the best Breadmaker. Enjoy customizable crust settings, gluten-free options, and programmable timers for convenience. Automatic kneading, rising, and baking ensure perfect results every time, ideal for busy kitchens and bread lovers alike. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best Breadmaker you could buy now. You can easily decide which is best for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. Cuisinart CBK110 NAS Breadmaker Machine. The Cuisinart Breadmaker Machine is a top choice for anyone who loves fresh, homemade bread. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you can easily make a variety of bread types, from basic to specialty loaves, all fully automatic. It offers customizable crust shades, with options for light, medium, or dark, allowing you to achieve your preferred texture and color. This machine can bake up to a 2-pound loaf, making it perfect for large families or anyone who enjoys baking in bulk. Its vertical baking pan design saves counter space while maintaining a compact size, ideal for smaller kitchens. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a breeze. The lid features a viewing window, so you can monitor the bread without opening it, and an interior light adds extra convenience for checking progress. Cuisinart's Breadmaker delivers consistent, high-quality results with superior crust, color, and texture. This easy-to-use appliance simplifies the bread-making process and is built to last. Number 6. KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine. The KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine is a versatile and powerful bread maker, offering 17 practical programs, including French, whole wheat, jam, cake, and more. It can bake loaves in sizes of 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, and 2 pounds, with 3 crust settings: light, medium, and dark. The ceramic non-stick pan ensures healthier baking without chemicals, and it's easy to clean. With a 710W motor, this bread maker kneads dough quickly and quietly, making it perfect for those who want a hassle-free experience. The fruit and nut dispenser releases ingredients at the ideal time for optimal freshness. It also features a 15-hour delay timer and a 1-hour automatic keep warm function to ensure fresh bread anytime. The sleek stainless steel design is not only stylish but also heat-resistant and durable. This bread machine's 360-degree baking feature provides even heating for fluffier bread with a golden crust. It comes with practical accessories, including a recipe book, and provides a user-friendly digital touch panel for easy operation. The KBS Pro Bread Machine makes healthy, delicious bread with minimal effort. Number 5. Elite Gourmet EBM 8103 SS Programmable Breadmaker. The Elite Gourmet EBM 8103 SS Programmable Breadmaker is a fantastic choice for anyone who enjoys fresh artisan bread at home. This machine takes care of kneading, rising, and baking, making the process easy and foolproof. With 3 loaf size options, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds, you can customize your baking to fit your needs. It offers 19 pre-programmed settings, from basic white bread to specialty doughs like pizza dough, providing versatility. The 15-hour delay timer allows you to set the machine in advance, while the 60-minute keep warm function ensures your bread stays fresh. This bread maker saves you time and energy by freeing up your oven and reducing kitchen heat. With its simple controls and efficient performance, it's perfect for busy individuals who want freshly baked bread at any time. The Elite Gourmet Breadmaker makes baking bread at home effortless, saving you time and hassle. Number 4. Zojirushi BBPDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Breadmaker. The Zojirushi BBPDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Breadmaker is perfect for anyone who loves fresh, homemade bread. This bread maker offers various healthy settings, including multi-grain, whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan, catering to a wide range of dietary preferences. Its double kneading blades ensure thorough dough kneading, delivering superior results every time. Dual heaters on the bottom and lid promote even baking and browning, giving you perfect loaves consistently. The rapid courses let you bake a white or whole wheat loaf in just 2 hours and 25 minutes. A large, easy-to-read LCD display with a convenient key code simplifies course selection, making it user-friendly. With its advanced features and rapid setting, this bread maker delivers delicious bread in no time. The Zojirushi BBPDC20BA is a great addition to any kitchen for quick, easy, and healthy bread baking. Number 3. KITCHENARM 29-in-1 Smart Bread Machine. The KITCHENARM 29-in-1 Smart Bread Machine offers exceptional versatility with 29 automatic programs, including 21 bread menus and 7 non-bread options. It's perfect for both beginners and pros, with 3 loaf sizes, 3 crust colors, and a customizable homemade menu to create unique recipes. The one-press operation saves your settings for future use, making it super convenient to prepare your favorite breads. It supports healthy recipes with gluten-free, whole wheat, and other nutritious bread options. The machine features a 15-hour delay timer and 1-hour keep warm function, allowing you to enjoy fresh bread anytime. The KITCHENARM is equipped with a high-quality, easy-to-use interface, ensuring a great baking experience every time. Number 2. Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker. The Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance for fresh, homemade bread. It offers a 2-pound loaf capacity and features 14 settings, including options for gluten-free bread, dough, jams, and more. The Express Bake setting allows you to bake a loaf in less than 90 minutes, ideal for those in a hurry. You can choose from 3 crust colors, light, medium, or dark, to customize your bread. The LCD display and intuitive button controls make it easy to operate and monitor the baking process. With its non-stick design, this bread maker ensures hassle-free cleaning and consistently great results. Number 1. Neretva 20-in-1 Bread Maker. The Neretva 20-in-1 Bread Maker offers a wide range of functions with 20 automatic programs, including options for gluten-free, sourdough, and yogurt. With a 2 lb capacity, it's perfect for families, allowing you to bake fresh bread for 5 to 6 people at once. The dual heaters with 360 degrees surrounding baking ensure evenly baked, fluffy bread every time. The non-stick ceramic pan is chemical-free, easy to clean, and promotes healthier baking. A 15-hour delay timer and automatic keep warm function provide convenience, while the motor operates at less than 40 dB for quiet performance. The package includes all necessary accessories and a recipe book, making bread making simple and enjoyable. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.